Hey guys, I'm Shiv from hashtag. Today I came with a new information regarding Huawei P40 Pro, which is going to be a successor of the Huawei P30 Pro. We all know that trade war is going between China and the United States. Because of that, earlier Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro were announced with Android 10 on board, but no access to Gold service because of the US trade ban. Anyway, Huawei has tried to launch Huawei P40 series next year. Huawei P40 appears to feature a curved display very similar to the one we have find on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, although less prominent. Moreover, typical volume rocker power on or off configuration on the right side of the headset. According to rumors, the P40 series will adopt a large 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with a dual punch hole design, which will feature 2K plus resolution and support HDR content, so it's look like slightly different from the Huawei P30. On the back, the BOM will probably contain 4 sensors, which means camera design is different from Mate 30 Pro. Huawei P40 Pro powered by kirin 990 chip, which is 10% faster than the Snapdragon 855 for single-core performance and up to 35% more power efficient according to the company. The same chipset used in Huawei Mate 30 Pro and Honor V13. Huawei chairman confirmed that the manufacturer will start betting on HARMONYOS for some of its smartphones as early as next year. But this would not roll out for flagship phones soon. Most likely they will start with the lower range offerings to perform all necessary tests and studies and then ponder the breakthrough for major smartphones. So let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P30 Pro in coming days, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I am Ashkur from hashtag.